Hello friends, in this video I will introduce you a wonderful pack that you can download for free. There are many user interface items in this pack that you can use in your videos. We go to the Essential Graphics section and click the Add option. This pack has many items that you can use as you like. Now let's see some examples of this pack. If you have used any of these items, you can change the text, image, color, position and size from the Essential Graphics section. In order not to miss free presets, packs and plugins, be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel.